passionate that indeed a registration needs to be established for this. One of the things that I continue to experience, Mr. Kantav, being in this capacity as minister, is that we learn that our laws are not as structured as we think we would want them to be. For example, I was having a conversation about this a few months ago with our juvenile department. And lo and behold, when I compare things to the United States, everyone knows that that is where I spent a good portion of my upbringing. There are registrations for this. And when persons who are registered as sex offenders even travel here to St. Maarten from the United States, would you know that notification comes to St. Maarten? Notification comes. So the United States, in my view, have a really well-structured legal system that protects persons. But when it's compared to our Dutch structure, we have some challenges. And one of the things that we know within our government apparatus and structure is that we have limited staffing to be able to help us really put the touches that we need and amendments that we need to the various laws that are binding us or keeping us from being able to move as quickly, at least me, as quickly as I'd like. So it does have my attention. I do believe that we can take some precautionary steps before certain things are established to ensure that the environments that our children are going into are safe ones, but also the environments that our children are living in are safe ones. So we have a lot of work to do, and it really does have my attention. So we are working on it as a